All right, so now let's take everything that we learned about matter in that last section, and we'll apply it in a short little lab, just so we can see, how matter interacts in our everyday world. And so in this lab, it's very simple, very straightforward. We'll just be burning a candle. All right, so just a word on safety very quickly is that we'll be working with a burning candle. We'll have an open flame set around our desks. So guys, please be very careful with this. Please do not play with the fire. Don't be, running your hands through it. I don't want anyone getting burned in my classroom. Please use the lighter responsibly. Make sure that it is only used to light the candle and nothing else, please. And now, once you light the candle, please leave it alone. Don't move it and don't bump it. Don't let it get any place. And also, please don't let the wax spill because that's just going to make a mess on our desks. And you know who's going to clean that up? You are. So again, guys, I want to make this easy on you. I don't want to make you deal with dried wax on our desks. So please just, once you light that candle, just leave it alone so nothing spills. Now, if you ignore all of these warnings and you decide to be playing around, guys, that's a very big danger doing that in a chemistry lab. And so, if you show me that you can't be responsible with just a simple candle, then I can't really trust you with other more dangerous experiments. So, if I catch you horsing around today, then later you may not be allowed to do all the other labs we'll be doing. All right, so for our procedure, this is all included in the handout that I gave you. Please make sure you grab one, and once you're done with it, please make sure that you save it in your science notebook. Remember, these will be part of the weekly notebook checks. Now, make sure that you work with only one lab partner. That doesn't mean two people. That means only one lab partner. Let's see. For this, you can grab a candle and make sure that you weigh it, you measure it to know how much mass it is made of. Make sure you make an observation of this. Make sure you get down the initial weight and the shape of the candle. All right. Once you have your measurements, you can set down the candle and you can light it. Make sure that you have a clock or a watch nearby so you can count for 5 minutes just so you can let it burn through that time. And we'll see what changes the candle goes through in that time. Now, once your 5 minutes are up, please blow gently on the candle to blow it out. Again, don't let that wax spill because it's just going to make a mess for us to clean up. Just let it stand for about a minute. Let the candle cool. Make sure that the wax is solid again, and it's not going to be spilling everywhere. And then at that point, you can take your candle, put it back on the scale, and measure the new weight of it. And then to finish it off, make sure that you put the candle in my waste container. It'll be a beaker at the front of the classroom. And this is just so I can reuse them later on.